back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you what I think is the best meatloaf that I have ever made. And it's a little bit unusual, but amazingly tender and sweet. Right, I'm basically using the mixture that I made my stuffed cabbage rolls with, which was a bit of turkey mince, some onions, some carrot, and a bit of garlic, and a few other bits and pieces like paprika. Here I've got some chorizo sausage. I'm just going to give these a rough chop up like this, and it's going to make a little bit easier work on my little mix master. We wanted to turn this chorizo basically into a ground meat all of its own. So just give them a rough chop with a knife. I'm going to go 2 bananas and showing you all of the chopping and grinding and all the rest of it. And this is going to give our meatloaf a good smoky flavour, a nice amount of fat as well, which we're going to need with that turkey mince. So I used 3 chorizo sausages, cut them up, grind them up in my little food processor. Should look something like that. I've done the same with some fresh bread, made some little fresh bread crumbs, and that's going to sop up some of the juices and some of the flavours that come out of that. Now I'm adding in that first mix, which was the turkey, the garlic, the onion, the carrot, and as I said, if you want to learn how to make that mix, just go back and look at my stuffed cabbage rolls, which will be the video I've posted previous to this. Put 2 eggs in, give it a good mix through as best as you possibly can, right? And all we have to really do now is get a little loaf tin like that. I've lined that with some baking paper. We can just put our beautiful mixture straight in. I'm just going to put that in stages, wait for it to sort of settle, push it down. We don't want any air gaps. We want to try and make this meat all nice and compressed. There we go, that's all done. A little bit of your favorite barbecue sauce straight on top. I'm just using a Sweet Baby Ray's, that's my go-to barbecue sauce. And I'm just going to spread that out evenly. That's going to give us a nice little glaze. Okay, got my oven sitting at 160 degrees. I'm going to cover this with some aluminium foil like that, and that's going to make this meatloaf just absolutely steam. Won't get too burnt, won't get too overpowering. I'm going to put that into the oven until I reach an internal temperature of about 70 to 75 degrees Celsius. There we go, we've got our beautiful meatloaf once we've taken our top off. Get your chopping board, put that on top. Make sure you're using something to stop yourself getting burnt. Give that a flip over in one movement like that. Remove your loaf tin, and all we have to simply do is remove that paper, and how good does that look? Now you can serve this up any way you want. You can see how dense that is once I've sliced the end off it, and I'm actually using a serrated knife to cut this. Just cut that down, serve it up with some potato and some vegetables. You could even put this onto sandwiches. It does taste amazing on a sandwich, believe me. Or you can just do like I did, serve it up with a little bit of slaw and fries, and away you go. KP's best ever meatloaf as far as I'm concerned. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button, gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media, trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, you want to learn how to, or see how I cook some of my meals and some of my interesting dishes, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you won't miss another video again. Alright, you know the deal. We'll catch you next time. Bye!